This video demonstrates how to use EdbMails free trial version. EdbMails offers free trial version of the software to test its functionality. With the free trial you can recover, export offline EDB to PST, migrate EDB to Office 365 and EDB to Live Exchange server. Perform Live Exchange and Office 365 tenant-to-tenant migration and backup. Migrate and backup emails from IMAP-enabled servers such as Gmail, Zimbra, Zoho, cPanel, etc. Perform SharePoint, OneDrive, Microsoft Teams site migration and backup. Perform OST Recovery and Migration, Outlook PST Recovery and Migration, NSF Export and Migration, MBOX Export and Migration, EML Export. Browse edbmails.com on your browser. Click the download menu. Click Download EdbMails. After the download completion, click the EdbMails setup file and proceed with the installation. Now, click the Start Your Free Trial button. Select the required option from the drop-down list. Let's select the EDB Recovery and Export operation. Now, click Browse for EDB. Select the EDB file that you wish to recover and export. Click the Continue button. Wait until the recovery operation is completed. Expand the mailboxes. Select any folder or subfolder to preview all the items. Select the mailbox or folder that you wish to export. Click Export to Outlook PST. Now, enter the job name and proceed. Select the location to store PST file. With free trial, you can export 30 items from each and every folder. EDB to PST export is in progress. After export completion, a confirmation message will appear. Click the View Log button to view the detailed status of the export operation. Now, launch Outlook application. Now, open the PST file. Verify the exported items. Start your free trial today.